guys. How are you?
Good, good.
Okay.
Good.
How are you, Hemaji?
Yeah, I'm fine. Absolutely fine. And Asha ji,
I'm
how's your
also
day?
fine. How are you?
Yeah,
How are you,
I'm
Nadeem ji?
good.
Good, good.
Yeah. Okay. Are you excited to new session?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. First, tell me about last session. What is the experience you done your last session?
Yeah, we did Wheel of Life in last activity. This is very nice activity in the sense that we got more clarity about the different areas of our life. We take life as a whole, but this activity has given us the specific clarity about which area we have to focus on, where we are lacking
Yeah,
actually.
it's most
So it's very
yeah.
nice.
And tell me about Nadeem ji. You got a clarity. You done Wheel of Life.
Yes, yes. So I was not focusing on few areas of my life. So after Wheel of Life, I understood which are the areas I need to focus. So how to make life balance. It was good activity.
Yeah, it's got clarity, and
Right.
this is really most important. If you know which area is a lack of, so you get more focus on this area.
Right.
Okay, good. This is a really excited. Today activities up speech activities. We are living in a society, and we will move on. Family, friends, and relatives, and we always think about the other person. My sister, what you think about myself, and my hubby, my husband, what think about myself. Today same activity we will do it. We think about ourselves with third person perspective, from maybe your family person, maybe your friends and colleague, something. And now we will do a activities. First you imagine yourself. We go to the party. Your husband, your family members throw party you behalf of you, and your husband come on stage and speak about yourself. And you first you think, then you write, and not in a two liner. You write full paper, A4 size paper, and you choose a three-person husband, your friends, or your colleague members. Then you write full paper. We will come back. We will discuss about what you feel about when you written these things. Okay, you understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, you do it. Hello, we are
Hello.
back.
Yes.
Have you done both
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
activities? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Tell me, Asha ji, first.
So I have to tell you the entire speech or what I have learned from there.
First you speech and then
Okay.
experience.
So I'll tell a speech when my friend is coming on the stage and what she says. I'm feeling so happy for Asha today, my childhood friend. I know she's very laborious. Once she decides to do something, then she puts all her 100% effort to finish it. She is an all rounder, good in sports, studies, as well as in extracurricular activities. She always participates in extracurricular activities, even during exams. Uh, she is quite courageous to decide and take action, anything which helps her to learn and grow. Uh, we always used to study together. We She is very supportive and helpful. She is very social and having good relation with everyone in the class. Say that fearless about taking any new step. She believes in building her own identity from her childhood. I love her fast. Sorry, own ident- I love her fast adaptability to new situation as she has faced so many career related challenges. She could explore new areas of operation and make it work. She believes in growth and let everybody grow. She's always smiling. She always opens to discussion, anything that is growth related. So this is the speech I wrote.
Okay. What you learn about these activities?
I learned that we normally think that people will talk only negative, but I have found so many positive things she talked about me. So it
Yes.
has given me a boost from inside that yes, I will do it.
Do
Thank
it. Yeah, you're right. And tell me, Nadeem ji.
Yeah. So I wrote about my friend is telling about myself. So I never expected, people think in this way. So when I start writing positive things, a lot of positives has come up. So I feel good about it. And one of my friend said, "You always very active, and you are able to take up any work, and you will try to complete it, and you do so many things in life. So you always try to keep yourself happy. So many things." And it was a good speech, my success speech, because I wrote a book recently. She told about the book and about my new project, everything. So it went on well. So when I start writing about myself, I used to think I never used to think people will be so positive about me. Once I started writing, everything has come.
Okay, yeah, it's good. It's amazing. And what learn about these activities?
Uh, yeah, Asha ji, you want to say?
learning. Yeah, learning. I said that yes, we find so many positivity in ourselves, and with this positiveness, we can go ahead and achieve whatever we want.
Yes, you're right. You understand what quality you have developed, the world see. That is a purpose of activities. These qualities and traits have imaged your their baseline, imaged your baseline. We move on. We will do next session baseline. I will talk about detailed manner in a baseline the next session. But you understand how felt if I done this activities. I felt really, amazing. World talk about myself in a good thing. I never think about like that. And this is a really amazing. This is a breakthrough. And I cried and totally I felt very emotional. My husband, when I'm thinking you're about your husband, your family member, your friends, you write in a full paper, one four papers. You write and you felt very emotional, and you think your perception is a change totally about your family sides and husband side. It's really amazing get the activities. Now session is a wrap. We will move on the next session. We will meet our next session. If you have any queries, if you have any question, and please connect me, chat me, and I will give you suggestions and
Yes,
message me. Okay.
definitely. We'll message.
Bye. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.